So how much of money did you lose because of the Omicron variant? Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. This is Pradeep and you're watching Vlog of Note. In this video, I have another stock recommendation for you. We're going to be talking about Action Construction Equipment, ACE. Let's get started. So first of all, usual disclaimer here, I'm not a stock market expert. I've been investing in the market over the last couple of years. I've made a reasonable amount of money. If I'm recommending something to you, it's because I've invested in that company. If you want to buy shares, I suggest you go ahead and do your own independent market research. There are three reasons why I'm bullish about Action Construction Equipment. The first one is dominant market position. Warren Buffett talks a lot about a moat around a business. It's basically something that prevents other businesses from competing with you. Action Construction Equipment is the world's largest manufacturer of pick and carry cranes. They are also having 63% market share in mobile cranes and over 60% market share in tower cranes. So yeah, that's what I would call a moat. Now, although about 60% of their business comes from agricultural products. They basically have four segments: agricultural, construction, road, and earth moving. I still don't have too much of a problem with this. A lot of people have an issue with the fact that Apple, over 60% of their revenue, for example, comes from the iPhone. But I don't think that's an issue. It's a moat and people should deal with it. The second reason why I'm bullish about Action Construction Equipment is because of pricing power. Pricing power basically indicates that you as a business can pass on price increases in the cost of your raw materials over to the end customer. Because Action Construction Equipment is so dominant, they can pass on price increases. Over the last 1 year alone, they've had two major price increases. The first one is an increase in commodity prices, specifically steel. Even last year, when their whole-time director, Mr. Saurabh Agarwal, had an interview, he spoke about the increased steel prices and said that they've already passed it into the market. Another price increase is the government mandating the move from BS3 to BS4, so increased emission control and therefore higher cost to manufacturers. Manufacturers who have pricing power, like Apple and their iPhone, can basically pass on price increases and the customers have to buy. The third reason why I'm bullish about Action Construction Equipment, ACE, is because of their Q2 FY22 results. Now basically their PAT, or profit after tax, has increased by 56% to over 22 crores. Also their sales has grown by over 34%. That's pretty impressive. Other interesting things from their report include the fact that in the next 2 years, they're going to reduce their debt to zero. I love companies that have reduced debt, especially in recession-like environments, and therefore the fact that they're doing this is a good sign. Oh, and other buzzwords in their report, they mentioned defense. Any company associated with the defense sector, Paras Defense, will definitely do well. And they also mentioned logistics and warehousing, where they're supposed to have over 50% penetration over the next couple of years in their loader business. Now, I'm not the only one who's bullish about Action Construction Equipment. You have ICICI Direct, who has a price target of over 320 rupees, meaning that's an upside of about 50%. So you could do much worse than investing in this company right about now. If you have any questions about Action Construction Equipment, business, or the stock market, drop them in the comment section down below. As always, please go over to YouTube, subscribe to the Vlog of Note channel, ring that notification bell so that you never miss a video, and I will see you guys in the next episode.